Well, I just got the call. She's coming back home a whole week early. It took 3 weeks to fix. I'm on my way to go pick up the Kia. Oh, there she is. Back from the auto body clinic. Looking fresh. And we're going to test the alignment of some of these body panels. I have a very crude but effective way of judging the space between the body panels. Right here, the small one, I have a piece of a rivet. Next one up, I got a little bit bigger of a stick. And then finally, I have the bigger stick. Now, I'm going to take my 3 tools, looking at the K4 here. On first glance, it looks very nice and fine, this hood. So, I'm going to go over real quick, and we'll start with this pin from the rivet. All right, does not go in any of the gaps. Not going in. Not going in. Not going in. I don't want to hit it too hard because it is metal. Finally, there it just goes in a tad right there. And that's where it ends. It stops. Oop, right about there. Right in front of the hood. Alright. So, moving on over to the passenger side of the hood. Here we go. Let's test the same gap. This baby just kind of goes all the way in. Alright. We'll try our next size up. We'll try our next size up stick here. And again, this stick goes all the way in. This stick does not go in. Finally, the big stick. That's where we get a little bit of a break here. Just about tries to go in, but it can't. Except for right here in this little spot of the hood. Okay. So, I know this side was repaired. And I think I have a difference of a gap too in the door. Again, this one's a little bit, we're going to use on the door gap here, the big fat one. It just barely goes in right there. And then the skinny one, skinny stick, clean through. Now going back over to the passenger, I'm going to try that skinny stick. Boom. And it goes in very cleanly. And the big one doesn't go in at all. So I can't say for certain, but I think what happened is this fender is a little bit pushed forward than it should be. That is my guess. Anyway. But to replace that light, they took care of the little clip I had up in there. The dent is out of the quarter panel. However, I seem to have a tire issue still. Seems to veer a little bit to the left. I don't know if it's because I got a brand new tire up in the front. Other than that, that's where we stand. The same scuff. I'm just a little scuff there. I don't know. Well, that's all I got for you today. I'm just glad to have her back.